everybody! Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show! Check it out! We have all kinds of fun Frozen surprises for you! We have the Funko Disney Frozen Mystery Minis. Look! 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them there. Maybe there's one in our surprise Easter basket too, because that surprise Easter basket has eggs in it and surprises. Yeah, Miss Hands, I cannot wait. Show me the good stuff. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show. Check it out. We have a whole lot of Frozen fun ahead of us. We have 3 mystery minis to open up. Here are the ones we already have. Woo! I was very excited to get that little guy back there. The very, very rare marshmallow. Yay! So let's see if we can get other ones that we don't have yet. And we have some eggs inside of here. We have Olaf eggs and other surprise eggs in there. So let's go ahead and get started and open up a mystery mini. Yay! In case you haven't seen these before, here are all the characters you can get. And we've gotten almost everyone except for Coronation Elsa, Frozen Anna, and Pabby. And I think there's one more little toddler Anna that we need. So let's hope that we can complete our collection. Aw, we got a little toddler Elsa. She's very cute. We do already have her though. But check her out. It looks like she's singing. Do you want to build a snowman? Alright, Elsa, go hang out with your buddies down there. Okay, let's go ahead and open up another box. The Elsa we just opened is a 1 in 12. Let's see who we get next. Oh my goodness! It's the Elsa show today! It's the other toddler Elsa, and she has a snowball in her hand. She looks pretty excited about that snowball. And this toddler Elsa is also a 1 in 12. Let's open up that other box and then we'll get working on our surprise eggs. I sure hope it's one that we don't already have. And we got Sven! Hey, cute little buddy. We do already have him. But he's super duper cute, isn't he? Yes, I am. He was just at the dentist in our Calico Critters Country Dentist show. Check it out, because Sven was a very reluctant patient, weren't you? Yes, I was. Alright guys, let's see what we have in our Easter basket. Oh no, down they all go. Alright, let's get back in here. And we have, ooh, chocolate toy surprise. Hello Kitty, oh my goodness. That sounds great. Check it out, it's a pretty big egg. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Ooh, here's some delicious chocolate. Ooh, I see some pink on there. That's really cool, guys. Whoa, it just opened right up. This is the biggest capsule I've ever seen inside of a chocolate surprise egg. Oh my goodness. Comes with this flyer and it shows itty bitty pictures of all the characters you can collect in these eggs. Aw, it looks like Hello Kitty is a ballerina. Twirl, twirl. At first I thought she was on a surfboard. Maybe she's a surfing ballerina. Awesome. Hang 10. Woo. Alright, surfing ballerina Hello Kitty, go hang out with the Frozen crew. Let's see what else is in here. It's an Olaf egg. How cute. Hi, Olaf.
Hello. I was at the dentist too with Sven. I was a very good patient.
Were you, Olaf? I'm not sure about that. You guys will have to check out the Calico Critter Country Dentist and see what kind of patient Olaf was. Aw, it's Kristoff. Well, hello there, sir. You get to hang out with the other Frozen characters. Sounds good. Let's dig back in here. Oh, cool. It's a Disney princess's egg. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it looks like we got some candy. And they are shaped like the princesses. Cool. Time for our next surprise. It's a Minnie Mouse egg. Oh, and Mickey. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got more candy. Check it out. They are shaped like Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Yummy, yummy. Let's see what's next. It's Olaf. Olaf egg again. Oh my goodness. It's a little Hello Kitty. And she's eating a popsicle. That looks delicious. Let's get another surprise out. Ooh, it's a pretty pink egg. What's inside? Ooh. Guys, it's almost Easter and we got a little bunny inside. Isn't that cute? And it's squishy. And it fits right on your finger. Hoppity hop hop, hoppity hop hop. Aww. And this little bunny also came with stickers. They're little chicks.
How cute! Hello, I'm the Easter Bunny. Whee!
Let's go back in for another surprise. It's another Olaf egg. Whoa! It's a glitzy globe. And that's Cinderella inside. Look at Cinderella. Look at all the sparkles. Wow.
The Fizzy Toy Show!
All right, little Cinderella. Time to hang out with the Frozen characters. Okay. Okay, guys, I think there's just one more surprise inside. What could it be? Oh, cool. It's another Frozen Mystery Mini. Awesome. Maybe this time we'll get one we don't already have. Let's see who we got. Can you tell by the foot? We got the marshmallow. That's not a very nice marshmallow. Rawr. He looks super cool though. Look at all of his spikes on him. He is a 1 in 24, so he's a little bit more rare than the 1 in 12s. Alright, Mr. Marshmallow, go hang out with your Frozen friends. Okay guys, that's it for this big Frozen show. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Wow, those were a lot of cool Frozen surprises. They were all awesome sauce. Alright guys, if you like these Frozen surprises, please be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can show you more cool toys and more Frozen. Yeah. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye. Nyam, 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 nyam.
Fizzy.
Yeah?
Oh, Fizzy, what do you have there?
Candies?
Fizzy?
Why can I not eat the candies?
Fizzy, you can eat the candy. Just don't eat them with the wrapper on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I got so excited. I just started eating. And I ate a wrapper.
Fizzy, did you eat the other package with the wrapper on?
I cannot tell a lie. I ate the candies and the wrapper. Ah, it was still delicious, though. Ah!